Pixel 7a to start at $499, available in stores May 11th. Wait, $499, isn't that too much? Too much money? Google's Pixel 7a is just a few weeks away, rumored to launch at Google I/O 2023 on May 10th. A $50 increase over last year's model. That's right, given Google's history of providing incredible value products. According to 9 to 5 Google, by the way, the Pixel A series, a $50 increase does seem to come at an interesting time. Somewhat unfortunate, as the economy is being more turbulent and phone prices seem to be on the rise. Yeah, you'd be sitting there thinking, I want to be at $449. I don't want to be at $499 because, what can you get a Pixel 7 for right now is very close to that. So it's not really tremendous incentive. Yeah, I presume it'll be a decent value. Okay, so Pixel 7 is $526 USD. That's a weird price.
Yeah. Is it $499 currently?
Pixel 7 is on sale for a new low price of $449. So is the 7a going to actually be better than the 7 regular?
Interesting, eh?
Well, this is what I'm talking about.
Because the A is usually the more budget-friendly one.
Now, for the record, it didn't originally cost that. It's just that it's old now, so you're seeing discounted prices on it.
Yeah.
Save $150. Actually, go to the Google US store right there. It's right there. Yeah, save $150. So, and you're seeing it in Canadian figures, which brings you to $599. Maybe if you can change the region here, we can determine the US equivalent of that. But maybe the 7A for the first time ever is going to actually have a more compelling spec than the standard 7 that they continue to sell. It's about all I can think because it's currently listed at $449. Either that or the report is off and it doesn't actually go for $499. But either way, that's kind of an odd development, strange finding that the 7A is rumored to start at $499. We'll see. May 11th isn't that far away. We'll find out. This clip you just watched is sponsored by LaterCase. If you have been looking for an impossibly thin case to put on your brand new smartphone, you need to check out LaterCase, available for both Android and iPhone. Check the description of this clip in order to get a special offer.